Dear students, in one of the modules you have learned that how to enter the data under the McNemar test onto the SPSS. Now you will learn that what will be the procedure you need to follow in SPSS to apply the McNemar test onto a certain problem. So you will learn that what type of test you would have to choose, the command you would have to select in order to apply the McNemar test under the SPSS. So students, this is a problem in hand and I'm going to read it for you. Medical researchers are interested in evaluating the efficacy of a new treatment for a skin condition. Dermatologists from participating clinics were trained to conduct the study and to evaluate the condition. After the training, 2 dermatologists examined patients with the skin condition from a pilot study and rated the same patients. It is desired to know whether or not the dermatologists are rating the patients in the same way. So students, this is the contingency table for which we have entered the data into SPSS. There were 2 categories being assigned by dermatologist 1 and dermatologist 2. One is the bad and other is the good category. And if you remember, we have assigned 1 code to the bad category and 2 code to the good category. Now you will learn that what type of procedure you will follow. As you can observe, that data is already been entered. So once you will open up the SPSS window, you will have to click on to the analyze, which would appear at the top of the window bar. Then you will have to choose from the drop down list the non-parametric test. Further, you will have to select the legacy dialogues. Then you will have to further click on to the 2 related samples, because the problem you have taken, that was about the matching or the related samples. Once we are done with that, this window would appear before you. Here you would have to define your variables. Variables are already been defined, but you would have to take them under test pairs. So you will have to enter the data in form of the pairs. So students, यहाँ पे क्लिक करने के बाद फर्स्ट पे पहले मैं क्लिक करूंगी वेरिएबल को, इस एरो बटन को चूज करूंगी and I'll move it under variable 1. Then I'll click on to the rating dermatologist 2. I'll be making use of this button and I'll move it to the variable 2. या तो आप ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, या फिर आप दोनों वेरिएबल्स को इकट्ठे सिलेक्ट करके यूजिंग दिस एरो बटन you can move them as one pair. Now if you just look at the bottom, the test types are being given, such as Wilcoxon, Sign, McNemar and marginal homogeneity. But as we are interested in testing this problem through McNemar test, so I'll be clicking on to the McNemar, and then I will be, once I've clicked on to that, then I will further click on to the OK button. It will complete my procedure for the McNemar test under SPSS.